Today we are talking about dermatologist #1 recommended non-prescription ingredient to fight the signs of aging. Oh my God, that sounds like a commercial. We're talking about retinol. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Chris Gibson. I'm a skincare expert. I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do more harm than good. So if you want to be a part of Team Chris, please be sure and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are out each week. Okay, now most of us know that retinol or retin-A or retinoids are a derivative of vitamin A. And we also know that they've been around for a really long time, again, as retin-A in the beginning many years ago, prescription, still a prescription, all the way to the over-the-counter retinols that we see today. We also know that there are certain types of retinols, yeah, there's more than one kind, that can actually help with things like acne breakouts, and that retinol is called adapalene, or you probably know it better as the brand name Differin Gel. But we also know that there are other retinols specifically designed to help regenerate and is that a word? Euthanize? Oh no, that sounds like weaponize. To make your skin look younger. And we make skin look younger by speeding up the skin's renewal process, sloughing off old dead skin cells, helping to regenerate new, healthier, more youthful, stronger, beautiful skin cells, which is what in turn fades out dark spots, dark patches, fine lines and wrinkles, and photoaging. Now, these over-the-counter products are often made with retinol esters or retinoic acids. And there are about 8 other types of retinol that I'm not going to bore you with today. We also hear the term retinoid a lot, and there is some confusion, and so let's kind of clear that up. Retinoid is actually the umbrella name for all of the derivative of vitamin A products or ingredients like retinols. And that's all the way from prescription strength retin-A to the over-the-counter products that we're going to talk about today. Now, the other thing to know about retinols and retinoids and why we recommend them so often for anti-aging is there are literally decades and decades, and I would know because I'm decades and decades old, of studies and use that have proven the effectiveness of retinol and retinoids on the de-aging of skin or reversing sun damage, those brown spots, fine lines and wrinkles. It's able to do all of those things. It's really an amazing ingredient. Now, most of the over-the-counter drugstore retinols that you would purchase are made with retinol esters, and there are a couple of them. The first one is the most effective, and that's retinol propionate. Now, kind of a scientific name, here we go again. And it is very effective at reversing sun damage, fine lines and wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation issues. The other one that is common is retinol palmitate, which is able to help with extreme photoaging of the skin. That again is brown spots and also brown patches, but more importantly, that thickening that happens, that leathery skin that people get when they've had way too much time in the tanning bed or way too much time in the sun, Florida. It does help reverse that. Does that thin the skin out? Although there are some people who complain that they get thinner skin using retinols. More that's an issue with retin-A, the stronger prescription strength. These buffered retinols we're talking about today really probably are not going to thin out your skin. Then there is encapsulated retinol, which is really a formulation technique and not a type of retinol itself. It's a way of formulating retinol in a product so that it time releases the benefits into your skin, which makes it ultra gentle, especially if you have sensitive skin, but yet it still retains its punch. And that, my friends, is where the benefit of drugstore retinol products come in. Now, if you're just starting out with retinol or you have sensitive skin, one of the products that I like to recommend that I've tried and tested myself and talked about on this channel several times is Olay's Retinol 24 Night Serum. Boy, I'm chewing my words today. Yeah. Anyway, this is a really great formulation, especially if you have sensitive skin. It has both types of retinols that we just spoke about, and it's fragrance-free. Plus, they added several hydrating ingredients to help with dryness and sensitivity, including niacinamide and peptides. Now, they call this a night serum for a reason, because it's very important to use retinol in the evening or at night. And the reason being is that retinol degrades or breaks down during the day because of the sunlight. Even if you're wearing sunscreen, you're going to get some degradation of the product. It doesn't mix well with a lot of other products at the same time, like vitamin C. So at night, it can be a standalone serum before your moisturizer, and it's going to help your skin renew itself without making it photosensitive to the sun. So really, retinol should always be applied at night. Now, the other serum that I like to recommend for beginners is CeraVe's Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. And this is the encapsulated retinol that we were talking about, making it very gentle and very mild to skin. They included in this formulation ceramides, 3 types of them, and hyaluronic acid, making this a really great choice if you have like super dry, super sensitive skin. Now, if you've been playing around and using retinols for a while and you want to up your retinol game, then The Ordinary has a couple of great retinol serums that I want to recommend. The first is a 0.5% retinol and squalene. It's really great for photo-age skin, fine lines and wrinkles, and it's got enough of a punch that it's going to give you some visible results in about a month. The other is the same name, but it's a 0.2% retinol, which is a much gentler, milder formulation. It's actually really good for dry skin types and very sensitive skin. Both of these are combined with squalene, which squalene as an ingredient mimics your natural oil that your skin produces. So it makes your skin have the ability to absorb the benefits of the retinol without much irritation, and it kind of builds that protective layer that your skin needs against the environment. It's really a great retinol product. It's not going to have all the extras that those 2 drugstore brands that I just mentioned have. It's going to have all those extra ingredients, but it's a flat out retinol serum that will provide results. It's a great, great product, and they're really, really inexpensive. So you don't need to spend a fortune on retinol, and you don't need to run out and get a prescription, because drugstore retinol's perfectly fine. Now, I hope this little video tutorial on retinols today has been helpful to you in deciding if retinol is right for your skincare routine. You know it is, and which one might be best for your skin and your routine. Now, if the video was helpful, please be sure and give it a like and comment below and let me know if you've tried retinols before and how they worked out for you. I'd really like to know that. And be sure to check out my videos that are coming up next, because they will allow you to perfect your skincare routine based on your skin type, so you get your best skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. You know how much I love you. Stay beautiful, keep on glowing, and I'll see you over on the next video.